Hey guys, got a service call on a 3-door beer keg cooler that's not keeping temperature. So we're gonna go check it out. I'll bring you guys along for the ride. We'll see how this goes. Alright. Hey guys, we're here. We installed a 3-in-1 booster hard start kit for this compressor here. It came on for probably ran for about 2-3 minutes, then it just quit on us. So we are going to be replacing the compressor. I just got back from the supply house and we'll see how that goes. Stick around. Okay, so we removed the refrigeration lines already from the compressor. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out and proceed to the next step. Okay, we got everything. Compressor replaced. Pulling the vacuum right now. You can see. So that's the compressor already in place. Replace the dryer, as you can see in the bottom. Putting the vacuum using the Field Piece 5 CFM vacuum pump. Alright, stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so I got the compressor going, put a date where I purchased it, and what type of refrigerant I have in the system. I also like to write down what was the original compressor model number, so in case if I have any issues with the compressor, then I know what I had in the system or on this unit installed. Now these are our pressures. This is how our pressures are looking like. About 1819 over 140, and yeah, seems like it's working perfect. We'll go ahead and I have to do a little bit of repiping here. You can see, I don't know if you can see this. Focus the camera right here, the discharge, and then also on the suction. So it'll be a little tight for me to push the unit in where it goes, but I think that should be okay. And I use this tool right here, the swedging tool. Man, I love this tool right here. Easy, make a quick swage with the drill, and just 3 seconds, boom, I'm done. Saves me a lot of work. Been having this tool for like 3 years or so. Works perfect. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for a little longer. And it seems like we are dropping temperature. I gotta clean all this. I gotta put a little bit of insulation here. And yeah, I gotta start picking up all my tools. Seems like it's operating perfect. You know, got about, let's see, about a 20-degree evap. So we should be fine. R134, these little boxes, little units, you don't need to go too crazy and get like super heats up cooling on these units, man. It's just a waste of time, you know, little cap tube units. But yeah, seems like it's working perfect. We'll see how this goes. I'll shoot another video of what the temperature is, or stay tuned and see how low it got. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you. Okay guys, so I had to finish this video real quick because a customer showed up, and you know, I had to explain what was going on, and they just are asking a bunch of questions, and you know, you guys know how this is. But anyways, just finished with the compressor install, and I'm heading to another call. We have a walk-in cooler that's not keeping temperature. We're gonna go check it out. I'll take you guys for the ride. We'll see what we find. All right, see you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm on a call. Walk-in cooler, not keeping temperature. Sounds like the expansion valve started for refrigerant. You can hear it hissing. I'm gonna head and turn on the thermostat, or check the thermostat just to make sure we're calling. And we are in fact calling. So we gotta be no in charge, but gotta get on the roof and see what's going on. Let's check it out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is our box, condenser unit for that walk-in box. You can see, or you can see there, see some oil. Okay, see some oil there. Maybe this valve right here is leaking. That's gonna be my guess right here. I already put the gauges on the unit just to make sure we had enough pressure, and we do in fact have enough pressure. But then we short cycle, which indicates that we are very likely low in, well, we are low in charge. We are going to shut off right now. About to shut off. So we are, there you go. Then we're gonna come back on once we get to about 45 psig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that valve right there to see if we're leaking, and if not, I'm gonna try and find the leak. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and removed the nut. It wasn't even tight, and you can see some green stuff on the valve right in there. It looks like someone used some kind of sealer. That green stuff looks like this unit's been leaking, or it's got a history of leaking. So it looks like that's some of that dye. So if anything, we could eliminate this valve here, and then just to get the customer going. All right, let me grab some soap bubbles and see if we could see if it's in fact leaking. Let's see. There you go. You can see it. You can see it there. She's a leaker. And I still haven't added, I still haven't topped off the charge, okay? I'm just working with the pressure or the refrigerant charge that was on the system before I even added anything. So we probably have about half of the charge, and it's already showing me that we have a leaker there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the charge and bypass this valve here, cut it, bypass it, and replace the dryer, and charge it up. Hopefully that'll be it, nothing else. Stay tuned. Oh, by the way, look, this is a micro channel condenser. Yeah, it's all 404. Yeah, I saw oil here. when I first got on the roof, when I started checking it, and I thought initially that we had a leak at the condenser coil, but once I saw that, okay, we got the getting taken apart. We are recovering the charge, or whatever was left over in the system. So this is all the tools you need to get to make this repair. Recovery vacuum, recovery cylinder, torches, and then we're gonna use some 404 to top off the charge. Got the unit apart, soap bubbles. I got the leak detector there. Got my tools there. So yeah, just pulling the charge, and then we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so pull a vacuum. Here's a 1/2-inch hose here. Add some refrigerant. We added whatever was left over from the system. I used that recovery tank, put everything back in the system, and then now we add a little bit more, and let's check for leaks. So nothing. Place the filter dryer. As you can see there, nothing. Okay. Go ahead and see how it operates. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's our repair right here. I'm at a bend here from here to there to eliminate that valve that was leaking here. Put some soap bubbles, and as you can see, we're not leaking. We're good. Replace the liquid line filter dryer. No leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the side panel, and then start it up. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and blew out the condenser coil before we start up the system. We don't have any head pressure issues. It wasn't too bad, but it's a good practice just to make sure it's clean before you start up the system. As you can see through. You could see through the coil. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Open. We're gonna add a little bit of liquid refrigerant. Just a little bit. Make the crank it just a little bit, just enough to get the system to stay on. Once I get the system to stay on, obviously you gotta watch your head pressure. But yeah, once it stays on, we can just let it run, and then we'll watch the side glass. That would indicate, you know, or let us know where when we are near, or when we have full charge. So system's operating. Okay, we have about 200 psig on our head pressure. And this one, since we added refrigerant, let's see where we are. We are about 20 or so. So I'm gonna crank it up a little bit more. Okay guys, and start bringing everything down or picking up all the trash, I like to keep bags in my truck, and they help me a lot when it comes to like bringing extra parts or picking up trash. I just go ahead and I just put them in the trash bags or those bags, and it makes my work a lot easier, and I get done faster rather than picking up everything and put it in a box. I just bag it. It's my tools, impact, refrigerant jug. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we cleared the side glass. We have about a 93 degree ambient, and plus I usually go plus 20 to 30 degrees over, so we are kind of where we need to be, at about 112 or so, 110 or so. R404, we're using R404 refrigerant. You can see we are where we need to be. Box filler, heavy load, so our suction pressure is a little high. Just clear the side glass. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start roping everything down and check how the box is doing downstairs. Thanks for watching. Pretty cool when you're working right off the back of your truck or your van. Got the van right there, ladder, the unit that I was working on just right there. Pretty cool. I wish all service calls were like this. Alright guys, finished with this walk-in cooler call. Found a leak at one of those valves on the discharge line. It's a very common place for them to leak. I've seen that many times in the past, excuse me. But we eliminated the valve. Customer had to get the walk-in up and running, so yeah, we just eliminated the valve, replaced the liquid line filter dryer, put a good vacuum, adjust the temperature controller, and that was it for that one. It wasn't too bad. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna be uploading more videos. I just haven't had a lot of time lately. I've just been busy or kind of bummed out. I do record sometimes, and sometimes, you know, I just go like, no, it wasn't too much of good content for me to upload. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading a little bit more, and like I said, you know, just subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you don't like my videos, or if by any reasons you have any comments about me and the repairs or whatever, just leave them in. You know, leave your comment, whether it's good or bad. I'm okay with that. You know, like I don't claim to know everything, so it's okay with me. So just go ahead and leave your comments. I appreciate you guys watching, and then I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.